Hey everyone, and welcome back to another edition of the CineGeek Cinebites Review.
Video edition.
Yes, I'm Roy.
And I'm Angela. And for this video, we'll be talking about a film that's perfect for the whole family. Buffalo Kids.
Yes. In Buffalo Kids, two Irish orphans journey by train across America, encountering villains and heroes. They make an extraordinary friend and search for a new home, facing adventures and dangers along the way. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with all of your friends.
All right. So, Roy, what did you think of Buffalo Kids?
I wasn't expecting to like this as much as I did. Kasi I was expecting it to be parang a run-of-the-mill children's film, kumbaga. It's funny kasi before we saw it, sabi mo nga na parang the animation reminded you of some of yung mga nakikita nating ads ng mobile games sa Facebook. Yung ganong klase na animation. Pero
I don't mean that in a bad way.
No.
Oh.
Yung ganong klase na para siyang yun.
It feels familiar.
Yun. Ganun siya. The animation style felt very familiar, kumbaga. And all of that was parang nakalimutan ko kaagad yun when we got to the story proper. Kasi sobrang napaka-earnest niya. Napaka-sweet nung kwento.
And sobrang sincere.
Yan.
Ramdam mo yung pagiging napaka-wholesome nitong kwento na to.
Super.
It's about a brother and a sister. Tapos, you know, they're orphans. Tapos, this is non-spoilery. This is from the trailer. Na they're lost orphans and they're trying to parang find the sense of family in their journey. So, there are two Irish kids na transport to America.
Yes, that's right. And along the way, they encounter another kid, a differently abled child.
Yes.
Na actually quadriplegic ba?
Yes.
Yung pagkakanan na he's wheelchair bound.
Yes.
And they strike up a bond with this new child, and they discover the bond of friendship and encounter madcap mishaps along the way.
And alam mo, para sa akin, yung pinaka naging X factor, kumbaga nitong movie na to, what makes it so unique is the fact that it featured sa sa front and center yung character, yung isang bata na PWD.
Yes.
Na you rarely see that in animation, in films, na parang they lack representation.
That's right.
Basically. And this movie gives these people that, na they can see themselves in a positive light. They're not just plot devices. Would you agree?
Ramdam mo na the creators of this film really did their best to treat this subject matter with the utmost respect.
Yes.
Katulad nga sinabi mo kanina na hindi sila plot device. They are an active participant in the proceedings. I mean, meron nga siya ditong hero moment eh. Nakakatawa nga yun eh. Pero masabi ko lang na yung pagiging very sweet and earnest niya, wholesome kumbaga, na-remind ako nung parang mo yung mga lumang mga Don Bluth na mga cartoons.
Oo nga.
Sobrang bata pa tayo. Parang yung mga An American Tail.
Tail as in T-A-L-E.
T-A-I-L. Si Fievel.
Ay, oo nga, yung mga daga.
Yung daga, Or even yung Disney na yung Rescuers. Yung gano'n. Yung sobrang mga wholesome na mga...
yung may moral lesson kang maaano.
That's right. Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa siya kasi parang in this day and age na kids are exposed to entertainment na, well, sometimes for the lack of a better term, brain rot na.
Hindi lang yon, it's too adult na for parang toddlers yung mga formative years na kids.
Yan.
Na tayo yun nga, pa natin yung mga tipong Once Upon a Time, Hiraya Manawari, yung ganon. Pero ngayon kasi ng mga modern na mga cartoons, Rick and Morty.
Or kahit yung tipong, pero yung mga parang Roblox, anong matututunan ng bata doon? 'Di ba? Pero at least dito sa gantong klaseng movie, I'm thankful that there are movies like this, yung Buffalo Kids, na really are for kids. It's really for the whole family. And it's not just na mag-e-enjoy lang yung bata kasi parang, ay, sa kalahating oras na cartoons.
Animation,
Pero there's really something to learn here. Na parang, hey, if you see another child na is differently able than you, you treat them with respect. And I love that this film really, has that message. That yung heart niya.
The message of kindness.
Yes, it's on its sleeve talaga. Yeah. And so ako, bring your entire family to see this film. Buffalo Kids is showing on February 12.
Yes.
In cinemas everywhere.
So, Cinegeeks, what did you think of Buffalo Kids? Or if you haven't seen it yet, what's your favorite kids movie na Western or any kids movie growing up?
That's
Comment
true.
below and let us know.
That's right. So, for the Cinegeeks Cinebites video review series, I'm Roy.
I'm Angela.
And we'll see you in the next one.